We interrupt this program.
Rescue alert! Rescue alert!
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of an Amber child abduction alert. There's an Amber alert for a 2-year-old girl and a 4-year-old boy in the D.C. area tonight. Police are looking for a black 2020 RAV4 Toyota with Maryland plates. The car was last seen going northbound on New Hampshire Avenue. Police say a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old were in the back seat when the SUV was stolen from the 3800 block of New Hampshire Avenue. That is between 8th Street and Quincy Street Northwest in the Petworth neighborhood. Police described the 2-year-old girl as black. She's wearing a purple jacket, and a 4-year-old boy as black, wearing a green and gray jacket. Anyone with information should contact DC Police tonight. You can see photos of that vehicle tonight at WTOP.com.